Question number 57. An open organ pipe has a fundamental frequency of 300 Hz. The first overtone of this organ pipe is the same as the first overtone of a closed organ pipe. Then we have to find out the length of the closed organ pipe in meter. So if L1 and L2 are the lengths of a open and closed organ pipes, then first overtone of a organ pipe equals to 2V upon 2L1, and the first overtone of closed pipe equals to 3V upon 4L2. And we know that the fundamental frequency of open organ pipe is V upon 2L1. That implies V upon 2L1 equals to 300. That implies 300 upon 2L1 equals to 300. That implies L1 equals to 55 centimeter. By the second condition, or first overtone of a closed pipe, 2V upon 2L1 equals to 3V upon 4L2. That implies L2 equals to 3 by 4 into L1. That implies 3 by 4 into 50. That is equals to 41 centimeter. So approximately length of the closed organ pipe is 0.41 meter. Question number 59. A circular loop of resistance R equals to 40 ohm and area A equals to 10 meter square is subjected to a magnetic field B vector equals to 20 e to the power minus 10t perpendicular to its plane where it is the time. We have to find out the induced current at time t equals to 0. So we know that induced current I is equals to induced EMF divided by resistance, that is equals to minus d phi by dt divided by capital R. D phi by dt is equals to d magnetic field B into area A divided by dt. So minus d phi by dt upon R equals to minus d upon dt of BA divided by R. That implies I equals to minus A upon R d upon dt B naught e to the power minus bt, where B equals to 10. That implies minus A upon R B naught into minus B e to the power minus bt, that is equals to AB B naught e to the power minus bt upon R. So current when time t equals to 0, I is equals to AB B naught e to the power minus 0 upon R. So I equals to AB B naught upon R. That implies 10 into 10 into 20 divided by 40, that is equals to 50 ampere. Answer is 50. Question number 60. In a cylindrical conductor of radius 2 mm, the current density varies with the distance from the axis according to J equals to 10 to the power 3 e to the power minus 400 small r ampere per meter square. We have to find out total current I. So the total current I is equals to surface integral J vector dot ds vector. And for the cylinder, integral of ds equals to integral of r dr d phi. So total current I equals to integral from 0 to 2 pi and integral from 0 to 2 mm 10 to the power 3 e to the power minus 400 r into r dr d phi. By calculating this, we will get I equals to 7.51 milliampere. So the total current in the conductor of radius 2 mm or 2 millimeter is I equals to 7.51 milliampere.